Everyone's telling you that Claude is a money machine, that you can just use it today and wake up rich tomorrow, whatever. And look, some of it is real. I made this with it. It's a simple budget tracker, and I'll show you more of that later. And yes, Claude is one of the most capable tools out there. But here's the thing most of those videos skip. Claude doesn't make money for you. You still have to build something, you still have to sell something, and you have to get in front of people. Today, I'm going to show you 3 realistic ways to make money with Claude, not the hype version, not the version where I sell you the course at the end of the video, what it takes, how it works, and what you can realistically expect. Let's go. Before we get into the methods, one thing you need to understand. Most people use Claude like a search engine. They ask it questions, they get answers, they close the tab, and they wonder why it's not making them money. That's not how this works. The people actually earning money from Claude are using it as a production tool. They're telling it to build things, to create things, to structure things. And then they take what it creates, they put their own polish on it, and then they sell it. That is the mindset shift. So let's go with the way number 1. It's digital worksheets and templates. And this one sounds boring, and that's exactly why it works. People are constantly looking for ready-made tools to solve specific problems in their life. Budget trackers, ADHD productivity worksheets, business planning templates, wedding checklists, content calendars, you name it. They don't want to build these themselves. They'd rather pay a few dollars someone for something that's already done. And of course, Etsy is where most of them go looking. Etsy gets around 300 million visits a month. Digital product section is enormous, and worksheets and templates are consistently among the best performing categories on the platform. I created the exact same product like this, but just have a look at this one. This is like productivity workbook. It's for people with ADHD. It's popular nowadays. And if you head into this shop that created this product, you can see that they have an enormous number of sales already. And they just make these, as you can see right here. This is the niche that they have. They make these workbooks with a different keyword. And this is how I made it with Claude. I just used a prompt like this. So create a 10-page productivity workbook for people with ADHD, include daily planning pages, focus tracking sheets, habit logs, reflection prompts, formatted clearly with instructions on each page. And you can see here, if I click on it, it's a doc file. You can easily convert this to PDF like all of those creators on Etsy are doing. And now you've got 80% of the product already. Claude will build the whole thing. It'll build the structure, the copy, the layout. All of it will be built by Claude. It won't be perfect, of course. It will need some work, but instead of spending a week building from scratch, you're spending like 20 minutes cleaning up something that's already 80% done. So if I download it and then I just upload it to Canva, now I can work on it. I can just select what I want. For example, if I wanted to change the font of this, well, that's easily done. You just have to invest some time into it and then just make this to your liking. Just polish it to your liking. And just like that, you have a simple product to yourself, which now will sell forever. Okay, it's not that easy. You will list it on Etsy for $1 to $2, add good mockup images. You can buy cheap mockup templates from Etsy itself. They're like a couple of dollars. Then just write a clear title, description with keywords. Just look what other people are doing. Just replicate what they're doing. But of course, the realistic earnings picture with this is that most new Etsy shops make close to nothing in the first few months. I gotta be honest with you, that's just the truth. The algorithm takes time to pick up your listings. Shops with 50 to 100 well-optimized listings in the right niches can realistically get anywhere from $5 to $2,000 a month, but that doesn't happen in week 1. But here's the real advantage. You create it once and then it sells forever. You don't have to keep stock. You don't have inventory. You don't have shipping, no customer service. This sells all the time. Go and explore what other people are doing, what niches they use, get inspiration from one store, like this one, for example, make 10 to 15 products in that niche, see what gets traction, and just double down on what sells. All right. Way 2, spreadsheet templates. This one, it's the same idea, but it is different format, and honestly, sometimes an even better sell. This is the one that I've shown you earlier. This is my monthly budget tracker, and you can see here the prompt that I used. I'm not going to read it, so you can just pause the video and take it from me if you want. But spreadsheets feel more functional to buyers than worksheets. A budget tracker in Google Sheets or Excel, or a content planner or a client tracker, these feel like tools, not just documents. And people pay for tools. So I found something similar. This one sells for $2.2, so that's the price. And if you scroll down, you can see that this item has been sold over 1.7 thousand reviews. Now, how do I know that? Well, this is the minimum number because you can't leave a review unless you buy. But not everyone is going to leave a review. A lot of people forget, or they just don't want to do that. So if you take $2.2 and you multiply that by 1.7K, you can see the number. And here's the thing about spreadsheets. The formulas and the structure are the hard part. Nobody wants to spend an afternoon figuring out how to make cells in Excel, to auto-calculate, or how to set up conditional formatting. That's exactly what Claude is good at. Tell Claude exactly what you want. Just use a prompt like this one here, and it's done. And of course, do the same thing. Just upload the finished file to Canva. Make them look good. A template that looks ugly won't sell, even if it works perfectly. And if they pay for something, they would rather pay for something beautiful. Each and every one of these is clickable. You can change the fonts, you can change the colors, you can do whatever you want with this. And, then just get a bit creative here. Use some clean fonts, some consistent colors, clear labels, and of course use Canva to create a nice cover page. And offer multiple formats when possible, just like these people are doing. As you can see, Google Sheets works with that, and it works in Excel as well. And of course, Claude already makes it an XCLS file. Good niches for this right now are personal finance trackers, freelance income trackers, or social media content planners, wedding planners. These have real consistent search volume on Etsy, and you can even see the search volume on Etsy if you just, search yourself and see what comes up. Just don't treat this like a lottery ticket. Make 10 to 20 of these and then see what sticks. And of course, way number 3 is freelance content writing. This one is the fastest path to some actual money, not passive income. This is real income. You gotta work for it. What's good here is that businesses need written content constantly. Some blog posts, website copies, email sequences. And most of them either can't afford a full-time writer or they don't have the time to write everything themselves. I use Claude for scripts, for example. Here you can see my started scripts here. I use this to make a draft and then I polish it with my own touch. One thing I haven't mentioned here is that you have to have a pro plan at least if you don't want to get a limitation, right? So yeah, at least the pro plan like I have here. But here's how the writing goes. Now, a client pays you $150 for a 1,000-word blog post. Without AI, that takes you maybe 2 to 3 hours, including research and editing. With Claude, you draft this in 20 minutes and then you spend like 40 minutes editing and making it actually good. And you've now done the same job in an hour. Just please, and this is really important, you can't just copy and paste the Claude's output and send it. Clients will notice, Google will notice. Raw AI content is generic, and it sounds like it. Claude will handle the structure and the draft. You handle the quality, right? Now, where to find clients? Upwork and Fiverr are the obvious starting points. LinkedIn is often better for higher paying clients if you've got experience already and you have to pick a niche when going there. If you're just starting out, Upwork is the best option. I know that they've got these connects. I went through that. It's a mess there. But if you offer some value, if you really put the work in it, you will land your clients. And what's the best part? People will refer you. If you do one good job for someone, they will refer you. That's what happened to me. So 3 real ways, 3 real opportunities. None of them are overnight. I'm sick of these videos like that. If you want me to dive into some of these more specifically, or digital products, or whatever you have in mind, just write me down in the comments and I'll use Claude to build something for you. That said, wish you good luck and I'll catch you in the next one.